Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi Turbo and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Currently we are on the video mode or the photo mode, it does not really matter. Let me quickly turn on the grid lines, so the specific lines, as you can see, they has been immediately applied and basically they should disappear after resetting. So swipe your finger from the top to the center of your device and enter the settings in the right upper corner. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Default Settings and confirm it with OK. The camera settings flashed a little bit, so now we can go back to the camera, and as you can see the green lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.